Ito yung ingredients natin for our mango shake. There you go. The mango, fresh milk. You can also use an evap. If you prefer evap, you can use it as well. But me, I'm just gonna use is fresh milk. Also, we got Alaska, ayan, cream. And if you like sweet, there you go. Condensed, of course. Kung ayaw mo naman ng sweet, so just the cream and the fresh milk or evap. Mas maganda yung evap, malasa. But this time, I'm just gonna use the fresh milk. I really wanna make it delicious, so you can use the evap with the condensed and of course the cream. So tara, isi-shake na natin dito. Medyo luma na yung namin, yung shake. Ito na, start na tayo mag-shake. Ilalagay na natin yung ating mangoes. And, of course, lagay mo lang yung mga ingredients. Pag-isahin na natin.
The cream. Kunti lang yung cream. Kunti lang yung nilalagay ko na cream.
Of course, lagyan natin yung ice. There you go, may shake na tayo. At makakatipid ka pa. Kaya kayong mga besh, gumawa na rin kayo ng mango shake sa bahay nyo. Masarap siya kaya. Tapos, nakakasave ka pa ng malaki. Sarap. That's it for today. Bye-bye. God bless po everyone. Ingat and God bless po everyone.